Okay. Good morning, my dear students. In today's class, I want to start that your
Good
recruitment and
morning.
good morning. In today's class, I want to start that your recruitment and selection second unit, that is hiring process and hiring decision. Before going to start that this particular unit, okay. Yesterday I completed my first unit from the recruitment and selection, and in this class I want to take that one by one small questions related to this second unit. So after that I'll take this particular uh, class. Okay. First, Rohin, all have to come in video mode.
Sir, yes, sir.
All have to come in video mode.
Yes, sir.
First, all have to come in video mode. Yeah, Rohin, uh, please unmute your speaker. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Uh, please tell me what that hiring is exactly.
Sir, hiring or we can say that recruitment is the process where the employer of the company hire the employees for the position which are vacant.
Hiring is
That
what?
they will find even.
No, tell me only
Sir,
meaning. I'm
hiring.
asking. I'm not asking
Yes,
definition.
sir.
Meaning.
So hiring means evaluating and finding the right person for the position which are vacant. We
No,
can say that
no. Lot of difference in hiring and this one. What you are telling. Hiring is what exactly?
finding the right candidate for
Finding
the
the,
position which are vacant in an organization.
that is HRP. What you're telling now, that is HRP, human resource planning. You're telling finding the right person to the right job, from the right experience to the right qualification to the right organization. That is HRP. You're telling. I am asking simply, what is hiring? Meaning. What is the
So
meaning to
hiring
the
means
hiring?
starting to employ someone, sir. Taking someone in our organization.
Taking someone to the
Taking.
organization with something related to the something
Yes,
to
sir.
include for the purpose to hiring, in the sense taking someone with some consideration. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
By giving something them,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Taking
what you are
someone
going to
in an
take them,
organization.
maybe to accomplish any small task, maybe short term or
Work.
to long term. Okay, that is, I'm not mentioning short term or long term, but taking them to your organization for something. That's what hiring is
Yes, sir.
in general.
Yes, sir.
That's what, there is a lot of difference between, okay, what I'm explaining you and what you are giving answer. Before what you are given, Rohin, that is the answer to the HR planning. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Exact
Got it, sir.
person,
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
exact qualification, what exact experience to the exact vacancy or openings. Okay, HR planning, that is. So, my dear student,
Yes, sir.
hiring is an act. It is an act of starting to employ someone, giving an opportunity to someone to work in our organization. Hiring. Yes or no? It is very simple. Meaning I am telling. Meaning is different. Again, definition is different. Got it? And
Yes,
in
sir. Yes,
generally,
sir.
obtain the temporary use of something for an agreed payment. Maybe that is contractual, maybe that permanent, maybe regular, short term or long term. That is depend on the, again, organization to organization. Got it? So obtain the temporary use of
Yes, sir.
for an agreement or agreed payment. What you agreed to give such a kind of any payment to the worker, and that worker is ready to come to your organization and to accomplish that any task, any given task. That is what hiring. That is the meaning to the hiring. Then the act of giving someone a job. What you're giving them a job? Maybe an employer, okay, taking on a new employee. Suppose you are taking any new employee, means you should provide them anything, something, right? So after several interviews, one example, after several interviews, the CEO told me that he wanted to hire me for the management position and that I could start work next week only. Small example. Listen, as there are plenty of openings are there, needs are there in the organization. By analyzing the need of that, okay, as an take an example, as a candidate I, listen, as a candidate I attended several interview, and the CEO told me